What is up everyone, this is the Bong DV and today I will be showing you the new script that will allow your illenium appearance to have a new modifications. As you can see guys, the illenium appearance is one of the best clothing system for FiveM server, and today I will be I will be showing you the best design right now that is free. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to buy for it. Okay? So this one, when we go to the clothing shop, you will have these options. The new UI, as you can see guys, the new design. At the top, you have these options to choose from. Um, I think it is already organized. And as you can see this, when you hold your right click, you can rotate the character, so you can have a good look of your character. If you want to check the backside of your character, then you can simply hold left click and drag over the cursor just like this. Now the thing is, next up is we have this new UI right here, which you're allowed to choose some camera angles, like for example the shoes, and I think this is the legs, and this one is you know the whole body, and if you zoom out for your character's face, you can simply click this one. So I think it's very useful, as you can see. And let's go here at torso. If you want to change your clothes like this, you can simply um, hold left click and drag it over. As you can see, drag to rotate. Okay, you have to drag to rotate, but you can use your mouse scroll, something like this. So you don't have to click this one. Actually, you have these options to click the left button, the right one and the left one. Or if you want, you can use the mouse cursor. You can use the mouse scroll. So you can simply select an item that you want. And as you can see, guys, there's an options right here. Like for example, you have to choose the different varieties of the clothes. And when you check the hands, you can simply do this. Well, I'm actually using my mouse scroll. As you can see, it looks easy. And if you want to there's an options to choose from, like for example, you like this first selections here, so you just have to click the first slot and it will be something like this. And then you go then choose another design, like for example this one. Let's choose another clothes, and the legs, why legs is not changing. All right, this is it. So you can click here, and if you want to save it temporarily, you can click the slot 2. So when you when you select the look number 1, it will go back to the previous selections that you have. And when you go, sorry, sorry about that. All right, let's say you change your legs, and then you go back to the look number 1. It will revert back to the previous one, which I think it's a comparison, something like that. Guys, sorry about my English because I'm not good at your language, but I'm just trying my best. Okay, so you can click this one, look, something like that. I I don't know if there's I think it's a buggy one right here, or you can simply click the random options. So something like this. And then you have these options to save or you may exit. Alright. So that's it. If you want to type in the ped menu, this one. Sorry about that. Um, uh, the ped menu options, like for example, if you log in for the first time, you have this option to change the clothings right here. Wait, I will I will rotate. Alright. As you can see, it's a transparent thing, so make sure that the background is, you go for a background that is not, it will not interfere this one. I mean the transparency of the Illenium design. But when you return, you can actually choose the position. You just have to drag over this character right here, and then you have to click this one again, and then it will be something like this. And when you click this ped right here, you have this option like the default one. But when you go to the tattoos, you have these options. So I think it's very organized right now, and it looks good for me. And I think I will use this illenium-appearance redesign. All right. If you're interested about this illenium-appearance, it's actually free, and you can check out on my YouTube descriptions, and you can simply click that one and download it directly. Okay. Now, there's no anything that you need to change as long as you already installed the illenium-appearance. You just have to drag it to your FiveM resources. And note that you have to change the FX manifest if you are the first time. If you're using it for the first time, you have to change the FX manifest. Okay. You just have to go to the installation guide of or the documentation of this thing. But actually for me, this is 9 out of 10 design. It looks good, and there's an options because I really love this scroll options right here, which you can simply use the mouse scroll. You don't have to use the click the buttons, something like that before from the default, because today you can use the mouse scroll, something like this, and it's amazing. Let's try to save this one, and there you go. I think if you do like my video, guys, you can simply click that one because I'm actually blogging this thing. It's a FiveM server thing. Okay, now I think this is it for today's video, guys, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. No, I think it's a showcase because you don't need to, install this thing. It's kind of easy. All right. Okay. Bye bye.